Hello and welcome all of you who are watching this video. This is the first class of your English speaking. Imagine if you want to learn Hindi or Marathi or any other regional language, what would you do? Just listening to it will not be enough. If you really want to learn to speak fluently, then you must actually speak. Even if you speak slowly, softly, that's okay. Even if you make mistakes, that's also okay. But speaking is the right way to learn to speak English. Speaking can also be reading English loudly. All you need to do is open your mouth and speak it loudly or softly. Do not leave a chance of speaking out loud or soft. Speaking will build your confidence and improve your English very fast. Speaking is the secret of learning. But how do you start? It might scare you or confuse you. You may not be sure what to say, how to frame sentences, what about the grammar, etc. etc. So, in each of my class, I will give you some sentences in Hindi and I will also give the same translation in English. Read them loud. After completion of all these sentences, I will repeat the same sentences but only in Hindi. And you have to recollect and speak out the sentence in English. It will be easier for you to frame it in English as you have already said it. Believe me, this process seems easy, but it will definitely make wonders and create magic in your life. Don't worry about mistakes, just speak. Please don't worry about grammar rules, tenses, or getting everything perfect. Our main goal is speaking. I want you to repeat sentences out loud again and again until they become a natural part of your mind. Just like you learned your first language by listening and speaking, that's how we will learn English here too. Mistakes are okay. In fact, they are good. They show that you are learning. So speak with confidence, even if it's not perfect. Fluency comes when you speak without thinking too much. So don't ask, is it correct? Just speak. We'll use simple real life sentences. You'll repeat them, practice them, and slowly your brain will start thinking in English. Remember this, don't study English, speak English. That's the right method. So let's enjoy the process and speak as much as we can. The more you speak, the faster you'll learn. So let's begin. Are you ready? I will try to use different techniques in each of my class. As I have said earlier, I will give you few sentences, first in Hindi and then translated it in English. Repeat the English sentences thrice. After completion of few sentences, I will give you a sentence only in Hindi and you have to recollect and say it in English. So, let's begin. ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. मैं खुश हूँ. I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. No problem. यह संभव है. It is possible. It is possible. It is possible. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am not joking. I am not joking. I am not joking. मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. I am getting late. चिंता मत करो, सब ठीक होगा. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry, everything will be fine. सब्र करो. Be patient. Be patient. Have patience. Have patience. मैं अंग्रेज़ी में बोलना सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning to speak in English. I am learning to speak in English. I am learning to speak in English. मेरी अंग्रेज़ी सुधर रही है. My English is improving. My English is improving. My English is improving. मेरी गलतियाँ मुझे सीखने में मदद करती है. My mistakes help me learn. My mistakes help me learn. मैं आत्मविश्वास के साथ अंग्रेज़ी बोलूँगा. I will speak English with confidence. I will speak English with confidence. I will speak English with confidence. मैं कोशिश करने से नहीं डरता. I am not afraid to try. I am not afraid to try. I am not afraid to try. आज अच्छा दिन है. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. आप सर्वश्रेष्ठ में से एक हैं. You are one of the best. You are one of the best. You are one of the best. अंग्रेज़ी कोई कठिन भाषा नहीं है. English is not a hard language. English is not a hard language. English is not a hard language. आपको बस अभ्यास की ज़रूरत है. You just need to practice. You just need to practice. You just need to practice. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you. शाबाश. Well done. Well done. Well done. मुझे यकीन है. I am sure. I am sure. I am sure. As said earlier, I will now repeat the sentences only in Hindi and you have to translate it in English. They are the same sentences which we have just learned. So let's begin. ध्यान से सुनो. मैं खुश हूँ. कोई बात नहीं. यह संभव है. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा. मुझे देर हो रही है. चिंता मत करो, सब ठीक होगा. सब्र करो. मैं अंग्रेज़ी में बोलना सीख रहा हूँ. मेरी अंग्रेज़ी सुधर रही है. मेरी गलतियाँ मुझे सीखने में मदद करती हैं. मैं आत्मविश्वास के साथ अंग्रेज़ी बोलूँगा. मैं कोशिश करने से नहीं डरता. आज अच्छा दिन है. आप सर्वश्रेष्ठ में से एक हैं. अंग्रेज़ी कोई कठिन भाषा नहीं है. आपको बस अभ्यास की ज़रूरत है. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. शाबाश. मुझे यकीन है. I hope you have done well with the translation. So let's meet you in the next class. Till then, have a great time.